How to add payment method on shop app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can add payment method on the shop app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your shop application, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your shop application, you will be brought to the page where you would see different products, all right, different items that you can get on the shop app. Now, for you to add your payment method, all you need to do is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons, which includes the home icon, the notification icon, the cart icon, the orders page, as well as your profile icon. So once you can see this, the next thing to do is to click on your profile icon. All right. So after clicking on your profile icon, you'll be brought to the profiles page. So on this page, you can see your email address by the top part of the screen. Next to it, you can see your profile icon. Then move to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines. Then after clicking on the three horizontal lines in the box displayed, ensure you select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be brought to the settings page, and here you can see different options, right? The first option here is payment method. So just go ahead and select it. Okay, so let's select it again. All right. So after clicking on it, you can see that mine is not clicking because I have started the process already while trying to order for a product. But for you, once you click on it, you'll be taken to your payment method page, and then you'll be asked to add your payment method by entering in your card details, because shop majorly uses your credit or your debit card as a means of making payments on the shop application. So if you ask to enter your card details, such as the card number, the expiration date, the CVC, and then from there the card will be added as a payment method on your shop application. But then if you're also facing this issue, the other way that you can go about it is by making your order. So for example, if you are trying to get this particular product, all you need to do is to click on it. Then after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the product page where you would see details about the product. Just go ahead and add enough details as you would want it, and then go ahead and click on buy now. So after clicking on buy now, you'll be taken to the payment page. On this page, you'll then be able to add your payment method manually while making payment for that particular product. And then once the payment method has been added for this particular order, for other products, it would have been saved, and to make payment would be easier than the first one. So this is basically how you can add your payment method on the shop app. It is very, very simple actually. So, like I said, this is the delivery page. So, by the time you fill in all of these and you scroll down, you can see the option pay now, and then you can see card number. So, just go ahead and input this in, and then go ahead and click on pay now. And then, just like that, payment would be made, and your payment method as well would be saved to your shop account. So, this is how it works, okay? Ensure you try it out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.